Hi everyone, this is Lynn. Today we are going to talk about how to use "ba" in Chinese. So let's get started. So "ba" is a particle. We put "ba" at the end of the sentence, and sometimes when you see "ba," it indicates suggestions from the speaker. For example, when we say 我们去看电影吧 means how about let's go watch the movie. Or for the other example, if someone say 我们去打篮球吧 means how about let's go play basketball. And sometimes we can use a structure. It's a verb plus ba. Just means it can make the command more softer or more polite. For example, when someone says 吃吧, it means eat it, but in a more polite way. Or sometimes saying 睡吧, so means go to sleep, but sounds more softer. So that's how you use 吧 in Chinese. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.